So if there is one person currently in the world who is laughing and smiling right now, that is definitely Sam Altman, to understand everything bit by bit and how, why, and what happened. So let's get started. So first of all, what actually leaked? So there is around 500k lines of internal code. So what developers have been using and which has been leaked, and 2000 files have been leaked from the archive. But the good part is that there is no customer data been breached. So it is the internal team's data and the code, but the customer data is supposedly safe. I don't know how much it is this true, but we are going to believe it. So customer data or chat is not getting leaked, so that is a good sign. So what is leaked? So internal TypeScript source code for Claude. So they use TypeScript, so that's why it is leaked. How is the Claude AI working? Feature flag. So upcoming features which they are going to use has also been leaked. Prompt, which internal team use the prompt to with the use of the AI, Claude AI, and internal comments which we always use when writing a line of code. How the leak happened? So they released a 2.1.88 version which was published, and by mistake they also release a source map bundle. So what is the source map bundle? It is a bridge between your compiled and minified code and your actual code. So source map will take you to there. So it got leaked and archive links exposed it. So it goes to the Anthropic cloud, and within hours the developer community, as we all know that people have eye on these flashy companies, that if some of the things get leaked, they'll have their hands on that. So the final key takeaway from this leak is a packing mistake can still create a company-wide intelligence. So this is essentially a packing mistake. It is not a big data leak. When the product being shipped as an AI agent. So apparently AI agent security has been breached by humans. Can't they use AI for recheck